Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the stitched footage is equirectangular because Premiere relies on correct projection to export 360 properly. Open a sequence that matches your camera's frame size and frame rate. This prevents resampling or timing drift. Once done, enable VR in the program monitor so you can preview orientation and horizon. Make sure color space and gamma match your workflow to avoid unexpected contrast shifts on export. This saves time and prevents quality loss when you move to encoding. Next, you perform edits and corrections while preserving spherical integrity. Trim and cut clips with attention to seams. If you reposition frames, use the VR rotate sphere effect to avoid stretching. Apply VR stabilizer or a dedicated plugin to reduce motion sickness. Check stitch lines after stabilization. Use adjustment layers for global color grading and noise reduction so corrections are consistent across the sphere. Make sure to render previews in high quality to catch artifacts before you export. Finally, choose Export Media and select H. 264 or HEVC for 360 delivery. Use high profile and a target bitrate that preserves detail for your resolution. Crucially, enable VR metadata. Set the projection to equirectangular and select mono or stereo depending on your footage, because players read this tag to render correctly. If playback looks flat or clipped, recheck metadata, try disabling container rewrap, or cue the job to media encoder. One last tip, re-encode a short clip to verify settings before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.